Stop making these 6 mistakes on YouTube or your videos will never blow up. Let's get to it. Now the first and the worst one you can be making is having background noise in your videos. Now it doesn't matter how poor you are, what your situation is, whatever, you need to fix this at all costs. If you have background noise in your videos, it should be the priority to fix. Because we're in 2024, no one wants to watch a video where they're constantly annoyed by some noise. There are AI tools or tools built in your editing software that can help you with that. For example, CapCut has its own remove background noise feature, so you can use that if your microphone is bad. Now the second mistake a lot of people are making is that their thumbnails are just nonsensical. They usually want to add a lot of fancy words to the thumbnail, so in the end they have like 4 different text areas on the thumbnail, but then it just doesn't make sense, and then it's unclear what the video is about. So you should keep the text on the thumbnail to a minimum. There should be like maximum 1 sentence or 2 different short phrases on the thumbnail. There shouldn't be like, I don't know, 5 different text areas. This thumbnail should be simple. It should obviously look good, but it should be simple, not overcomplicated. And it should say clearly what the video is about. Now the third mistake you can be making is taking too long with the video intro. Now again, we're in 2024, people have low attention spans. So if you take 2 minutes to get to the actual message or to the core of the video, no one will keep watching by then. So again, your video intros should be kind of quick, not too long. You should convey a general message in the intro, but don't take like 2 minutes with the intro, that's terrible. Now the fourth mistake you might be making is to not engage with your community. It has been shown that interacting with people who comment on your videos, replying to them, boosts your video in the YouTube algorithm, so why not reply? And the worst thing you can do with this is turn the comments off. Like, that will completely just kill your video. Now the fifth mistake you might be making could be a bit contradictory, but don't set the pace of your videos too fast. Don't make them like hyper edited. Now it's one thing to have good edit in your video, but unless your audience is composed of 12-year-old TikTok raised boys, making too hyper edited videos will exhaust the average viewer and they will just click off because the video is too fast. For example, if you are making fishing videos when the average viewer age is 35, don't like hyper edit the video because you need to know your target audience. Now the sixth and final mistake on this slide you could be making is poor SEO, that's short for search engine optimization. Now this is not about popping up when people search for a specific keyword, it's more about YouTube knowing what your videos is about and then recommending it to the right people. So you should add keywords or key phrases to your description or tags so YouTube can recommend to the right people. Otherwise your video will get low impressions or even worse, low click-through rate, which again will kill it. So yeah, these were the 6 critical mistakes you shouldn't be making. If you want to boost your videos by high quality thumbnails, there is a link in the description to my thumbnail design service, and goodbye.